Araw-araw, iba't ibang hamon ang kinakaharap natin. At hindi po natin itinatanggi na maraming pagsubok ang dumarating sa kagawaran ng edukasyon. Madalas, makikita ang bakas ng mga hamong ito sa mga mukha ng ating mga mag-aaral, ng ating mga guro, at ng ating mga kawani.
As we stand here today, we reaffirm our commitment to this colossal endeavor. Unfazed by the unthinkable, we will bravely take the challenge of sustaining our actions in our matatag agenda. Mga kababayan, sabi nga nila, malayo-layo na, pero malayo-layo pa. Although we have made strides during the first year of the Matatag Agenda, there is so much left to be done. Hindi ngayon ang oras magpahinga. The Department of Education will build on what we have started and even expand our Matatag commitments. We will continue to make our curriculum relevant to produce competent and job-ready, active, and responsible citizens of our country.